Welcome to GAYAS classes for mathematics. Today I am going to explain arithmetic progression part 4 class 11th. Let us see the question. Here question is what? Pth, Qth, Rth terms of AP are A, B, C respectively. Then show that A into Q minus R, B into R minus P, C into P minus Q equal to 0. So very simple question. Let us see. So PA terms of AP are A. So we can write what? That is suppose AP, right? It is given what? So a small ABC is given here. So we are taking first term as a capital A. So AP is what? PH terms of AP is given this. So you know AN is what? A plus N minus 1 into D. So first term is capital A. So this is A plus N minus 1 into D. PH Q terms of AP. Same AP. So common difference will be same, and that is first term will be also same. So A plus N minus 1 into D. So PH term. So A plus what? P minus 1. So N is what here? P. So we are taking A plus P minus 1 into D equal to A. This is the first equation. In the same way here, QH terms of AP are what? B. That means it is given QH term equal to B. So again formula is what? A plus Q minus 1 into D equal to what? P. Again it is given R terms of AP. So R terms is what? That is AR. This is given how much? C. So first term is A and N is R. So R minus 1 into D equal to what? C. Now we have to show A into Q minus R, B into R minus P, and plus C into P minus Q. So let us take LHS. So our LHS is what? A multiply Q minus R plus B multiply R minus P and plus C multiply P minus Q. So we know A is what? A value is given A plus P minus 1 into D, right? So we will write here A plus P minus 1 into D in the place of A, and then multiply this number by what? That is Q minus R. So multiply Q minus R. Similarly here B. So B value is what? A plus Q minus 1 into D. So this is A plus Q minus 1 into D. This is the value of B. And now multiply this value what? That is R minus P. Again here what? C into P minus Q. So C value is what? A plus R minus 1 into D. So this is A plus R minus 1 into D. And now multiplying this equation by R minus P. Now very simple calculation. See. So here multiplying this number. So first you multiply A with both. So we will get what? That is AQ minus AR. Now P minus 1 into D to Q. So this is PDQ. So first we are multiplying P minus 1 into D to Q minus R. So PD. So PDQ. So this is what? Plus PDQ. Now you see PD. And here minus R. So minus PDR. This is what? Minus PDR. Now here minus D. Okay. So minus D into Q is what? Minus DQ. So this is minus DQ. Again here minus D into what? Minus R. So minus D into minus R is what? DR. So this is plus DR. Now next point, here A. So A into R minus P. So we'll get what? AR. So this is AR minus EP, right? In the same way here, Q minus 1 into D and multiplying this number. So this is what? QD. So QDR, yeah, QRD. So we'll write here QRD, right? Now again you see this is the QD multiply minus P. So you'll get what? Minus PQD. So it is minus PQD. Now you see here Q minus 1 into D. So now we are QD, we have multiplied both. Now here minus D. So minus D into R is what? Minus DR. So this is what? Minus DR. Again here minus D into minus P. So that is what? Plus DP. So we will write here plus DP. Right? Now then the same way here what? A plus R minus 1 into D R minus P. So first you multiply by A to R minus P. So AR minus AP. So we'll get what? AR minus AP. Now R minus 1 into D multiplying this number. So it is what? R minus D. So here we are writing A plus R minus D. So C multiplying what? P minus Q. So here we are multiplying P minus Q. Okay, no? So in question it is what? P minus Q. So again you check AP minus AQ. So this is what? This is AP minus AQ. So this is AP minus AQ. And now it is what? DR. So DR into P is what? PRD. So this is plus PRD. Okay. And now again RD into minus Q. So minus QRD. So we will get minus QRD. Now it is what? Minus D into P. So we will get what? Minus PD. And minus D into minus Q is what? Plus QD. Right? Now you see here. Here number is what? AQ. Now you see where AQ other number. So this is AQ. To check here AQ is where? AQ. So this AQ and this AQ will be cancelled out. Again you say minus AR. So other AR is what? Here. Again you see PDQ. So again you see PDQ is plus and here PDQ is minus. Again you see minus PDR. So this is minus PDR. So here plus PDR. So this cancel. Again here minus DQ. And it is what? Plus Q. It is cancelled out. Here plus DR. And here minus DR. So this DR cancel out. Now here DP. So here plus DP and here minus PD. It is cancelled out. Here plus AP and here minus AP. It is cancelled out. Here QRD and QR. All is cancelled out. So we get what? 0. So this is our correct answer. We can use as a trick also. Now see the next question. The next question number 2 is what? Pth, Qth are terms of APR, A, B, C respectively. Then show that A minus B into R plus B minus C into P plus C minus A into Q equal to 0. So for this type of question, we can solve like this. See. So what is given? Pth, Qth are terms of AP are given. So that means Pth term, that is AP, is given what? A. So nth term is what? A plus n minus 1 into D. So we can write A plus P minus 1 into D. This equal to what? A. This is the first equation. In the same way, Qth term is given. That is AQ equal to what? B. So we can write A plus Q minus 1D equal to what? B. Because QH term is given B. You know AQ, QH term is what? A, yani first term plus n minus 1, that is Q minus 1D equal to B. Now again it is given RH term, that is AR equal to what? That is C. So RH term is again A plus R minus 1 into D equal to what? C. Okay. Now you see, we have to find LHS is what? A minus B multiply R plus B minus C multiply P plus C minus A multiply Q. So it is very easy. Now you see A minus B. A is this and B this. When we minus this number, so A and A will be what? Cancel out. So we will get what? That is D. So this is what? A minus B. A minus B. This minus this. So A minus A cancel out. P minus 1 and then Q minus 2. So D is taking common. So P minus 1 minus Q and this is what? Plus 1. Understood now? This is what? A minus B. So A is this and B this. So A minus B means this minus. So A minus A is 0. P minus 1D minus Q minus 1D. D is what? Common. So P minus 1 minus Q minus 1. So minus Q plus 1. Okay. And this multiplying by R. So here we are writing this is what? R. Now plus. Similarly here B minus C. This is B and this is C. So B minus C. Again A minus A is 0. So we are taking common D. So when we are taking common D, so here B minus C. So this minus this. So this is Q minus 1 and minus R minus 1. So we'll get what? Minus R plus 1. And this multiply by what? That is P. So we are multiplying this number by P. Now C minus A. C and A is here. C minus A. So A minus A is 0. R minus 1 minus P minus 1. We are taking again common D. Similarly, so this is what? C minus A. C is first here. So R minus 1 minus P plus 1. So R minus 1 minus P plus 1. And now this multiply what? That is Q. Now it is very easy. See. So here we are doing what? This minus 1 and this plus 1 cancel out. Now we will get what? D into, so D is in every, so we are taking D common here, right? So here P minus Q. Now you see here minus 1 and this plus 1 cancel out. Here we get what? Q minus R. So D is common, so plus Q minus R. Again you see here this 1 and minus plus 1 minus 1 cancel out. D is taking common. So here what? So we are taking R also now. So this is P minus Q into R. So just multiplying by R first. So this is P minus Q into R. So we will write what? That is PR and minus QR. Here also QP. That is what? PQ. And here minus R into P. That is what? Minus PR. And here we are writing again. D is already common. So here R minus P. So that is what? R into Q is what? QR. And here minus P into Q is what? Minus PQ. Okay. Now you see here PR positive and here PR negative. It is cancel out. Here minus QR and it is plus QR. This is also plus minus cancel out. Plus PQ minus PQ. What do we get here? 0. So you know D multiply 0 is what? 0. So this is our correct answer. We can use this technique for solving, and direct for sort technique also we can use this equal to what? Always 0. Let us see the next question. The next question, third, is what? So that the sum of m plus nth and m minus nth terms of an AP is equal to twice the mth term. That means we have to show, to prove. What we have to prove? Sum of m plus nth. That is m, a, m plus n means m plus nth term. And plus a m minus 1, that is m minus nth term. So sum of m plus nth term and a minus nth term is of an AP is equal to twice the mth term, that is 2 of mth term. We have to prove this, right? So this is a very simple technique, is what, just to check LHS. So LHS is what? That is m plus nth term and plus m minus nth term. Suppose the AP whose first term is A and common difference is what? T. So you know the nth formula is what? A plus n minus 1D. Here n is what? M plus n. So we will write here A plus m minus m plus n minus 1. Okay, now here an is a plus n minus 1d. Here in the place of n we have m plus n. So n is what? M plus n. So a plus n minus n means m plus n minus 1 and d is the common d. This is the m plus nth term. Now you see this is what? M minus nth term. So again the same format, a plus n minus 1. So here n is m minus n. So m, okay na? So a plus n minus 1 introduced. So here n is what? M minus n. So m minus n minus 1 into d. Right? So simple technique formula is a plus n minus 1. So here n m plus n, so m plus n minus 1. Here n m minus n, so m minus n minus 1. Right? Now you see here, so this is a plus a is what? 2a. And now if we take common d, so we'll get what? M plus n minus 1. And here what? Plus m minus n minus 1, right? So here this n and n is cancelled out, right? So we will get what? 2a plus d into 2m. This is m plus n 2m. And minus 1 what? Minus 2. So we can take common 2. So 2 is here. So we get what? A plus here m minus 1 into d. So you know that this is 2 and a plus m minus 1 into d is what? Am. So we can write 2 into am. Yani twice of mth term. So we have proved this LHS equal to what? RHS. So this is the very easy method we can solve very easily.